Daily day.
Is that an intercooler I see?
No idea what this car is.
Disaster.
We've been catfished.
Hell no.
Pablo! Please tell me it's that.
I've always wanted one of those.
People lying on adverts.
Joys of buying a used car.
It's like, yeah, but it's still an issue.
There it is. Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to potentially new car day.
Yeah, potentially daily day.
Daily day.
Daily day.
So, I just realised we haven't run you through guys through the other
No, the
saga.
other disaster. Yeah, we are going to do a video of that, of why you shouldn't buy a car for £1,000.
Yes.
But if you do, be careful.
But if you do a bit more research than Kenny did.
Yes.
Anyway, so basically it's come down to it. Kenny is desperate for a new daily. He's been looking for a short while now.
Yeah, well, the other thing has been off the road now for the best part of a month.
Yeah,
you know,
since you owned it.
Yes.
So exciting-ish day. We're on our way to go view one now. I have no idea what this car is. He's done a drew on me. He's organised to buy a car. I have no idea what it is, but we are on our en route now.
Yeah, the only time you're going to see it is as we pull up, and I wondered if you're going to clock which one it is. So
yeah, that's nice. So we're going to get the camera rolling and see if we can get my reaction, see if I can figure out which one it is.
Yes.
So yes, we will meet you over there because it's boiling in here. We want to open the windows, so we'll catch you in a bit. Please tell me it's a city bug.
Hell no.
Barry Island? Are we going to buy a car or are you just taking me on some shows?
I'm going to go and get a Dodge on because there's anything else to be reliable.
Be more reliable.
Yeah.
Apparently we're in this street now.
I've never been in the street, so we might not be able to find it, but time will tell.
Right. Better not be any of those. Good choice. No. No. Maybe it's not real.
It might be a fake ad.
We've been catfished. Pablo!
Please tell me it's that.
What?
Mondeo ST.
Yeah, it is.
What?
Yeah, it is.
Is it really?
Yeah.
No freaking way.
Yes.
I've always wanted one of those. That's crazy how I noticed it before you.
I know, yeah. No, I did see it. I just didn't want to say anything. That's why
really?
I drove past. Yeah.
You clever so-and-so.
So yeah.
What a good choice, man. What a good choice.
Let's see what it's like.
Good
first.
choice of car
Yes.
in general. So
Yeah. So yeah, we'll have a little look at it. And,
Alright.
and it's in performance blue.
Yeah.
So
Aren't they all? Just
Nope.
kidding. Let's go and have. I'm so excited, man. Let's go and have a look.
Depends how clean it is.
So the owner hasn't come out yet, but we're just trying to have a quick look. I'm just saying, I love it. I'm trying not to never buy with your heart, buy with your head. But it's cool. I have no idea any of the details, but I think we'll have a good chat with the guy. We'll see if it goes through, and then we'll run through the details with you guys. Otherwise, you probably won't even be seeing this video. And this is the joys of buying a used car.
Yeah.
Luckily, like I said, don't buy with your heart, buy with your head. As soon as we pulled up, there was a lot of cosmetic stuff. We can live with cosmetic things. It's not top money. It's not a brand new car.
No, that's right.
As many people know, Mondeos, first thing I asked the guy was injector problems. Has he had any injector problems? He seems to know his stuff. He seems to have a few of them. But
Yeah, he didn't tell me that on the phone, or that he'd have replacements, and he put second hand on there.
No, he hadn't. That was a different car he was on.
Oh, well, here we
Yeah,
are.
no,
So that is still. But if you looked on that, then it had numbers on the injectors. It'd been actually Tipex on.
Ah, right. So it's had.
Yes.
Why don't people buy newer things like that? But anyway, needless to say,
Yeah, there was fuel around the injectors. There was oil on top of it.
Yep.
So yeah.
Just a little thing. We noticed the back end was very high. He said it had new springs. So whether it had normal Mondeo springs instead of ST ones, we don't know.
He said it had ST, but yeah, it just didn't.
Who knows?
I don't know. Basically, the car just had bad vibes.
Yes, didn't
So,
get a
lovely
good
guy.
vibe. Yeah, really nice guy. And I don't think he's out to con anyone. It's just, it wasn't the car for us, not the situation, not the for what you need it for.
Exactly. I loved it. I was half tempted.
Yes.
Don't get me wrong,
because the interior was lovely. Interior was really nice.
It was.
But we have got a couple of other cars lined up, haven't we?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we'll,
There's a couple of different things to look at. So
no idea what the title of this video is going to be now, but we'll join you
in the next one.
in the next one. You've joined us on another day in another car, but we'll forget about that for now. We are on our way to view another car. Do you want to tell them what it is or not?
No, obviously you've seen what I've been looking at, but I have been looking at other things as well.
Yes. Now you did go to look at an Audi A4.
Yeah, I did look at an A4 last week. once again, people lying on adverts. I asked the guy, it's a CVT gearbox, I've owned one before, they can be problematic. I asked the guy on the phone, is the gearbox and everything okay? He said, yes, everything's fine, it drives as it should, blah, 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 blah. Went to look at it, shifted the gears a few times while it was stationary, all the lights lit up and started flashing. I just said to him, you said, and his answer was, bear in mind, it's a garage, was, it drives fine though.
Never mind the fact that the car is telling you there's a fault.
Exactly, that's what I said to him. I was like, yeah, but it's still an issue. Do you know what I mean? And it was a bit battered here and there, but
yeah, as you said, it was a lot rougher than
it was
than
a lot
the
rougher than
photos.
yeah. So
Let's just put, I mean, do people not realise when you're selling a car, oh, it's mint, it's mint? Do they think people are not going to realise?
yeah, exactly. And you know, the front wing it'd been painted and sanded. You can still see all the sand marks in the paintwork, and it looked like, honestly, it looked satin. You know, it was terrible.
Well, Kenny went to view it on his own, so obviously
Yes.
I didn't go with him.
Yeah,
hence why we didn't really film anything, because you wasn't sure.
My dad took me, it was just spur of the moment.
Yeah,
He was like, right,
yeah.
that's there, let's go.
Yeah.
And so yeah. So anyway, you asked my budget, I told you, and you found this one.
Yes, no pressure, but I've really, because the last couple we went to, the Mondeo we went to look at was in Barry, so it wasn't too far away.
It wasn't.
Bristol was the A4?
Bristol was the A4.
So
yeah,
that wasn't too bad. This is in Plymouth, so it's a
Yes.
bit of a drive, so I really hope. But I mean, Kenny's been in contact with the guy. There's a lot of good signs. The car does look good, and the other cars he owns tells us that he's an enthusiast.
Yeah, I would definitely say so.
Yeah, we'll obviously we'll cover that when we get there. I hope he's got some of the cool cars there. I need to apologise if I sound a bit nasally or rough. I think I'm coming down with something, but I apologise for that anyway.
It's that time of the month.
Yeah. Hey. But yeah, so all we can do is just keep everything crossed, because
Yeah,
I
like
still haven't shown you. You guys don't understand the stress that Kenny's gone through with dailies, because we still haven't showed you his other daily that has literally been sat on your drive since you've owned it, I think.
This-
Apart from going
yeah.
back and forth to garages.
yeah, this is it. Well, yeah, you'll see that soon. I bought that thing, and that's just caused me nothing but problems. But we're gonna do that soon. That's why you should always double check when buying a
Yeah.
crap box.
Yeah. So that's why we haven't told you anything about, because it's caused that much of an issue. We're going to do a whole video in itself, so stay
Yes.
tuned for that one.
Yep.
But we're on our way now, and the sun is finally starting to make an appearance.
Yes.
And if you're wondering what car we're in, I'm hoping the video for this would have gone out anyway.
Yeah.
We're in my new daily.
Yeah, everyone's having a new
Yeah,
day.
it's just new daily fever, but hey ho. So we're on our way now. I imagine you'll catch up when we get there. We'll see what it's like film there. Either way, we will we'll see what happens
when we get there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boom!
It's like 900 degrees.
Why? Whenever I'm with you, looking for a car now, I get nervous.
Don't worry.
I say it, God knows how you're feeling.
Yeah. I thought there was an automatic door on that and an automatic tailgate.
Don't know, but there's an MX-5 down there. Let's go down there.
Yeah.
No? Okay.
I don't know. No, I don't know. It might be this way.
Is that an intercooler I see?
It is.
You're lying in you by picking this up.
Yeah.
Kenny brought me a present!
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh. There's some cool cars down here. They look like, yeah.
So we went, we saw, we bought.
Yes. Which was a great change. We've actually got one finally.
Yes, everything checked out, but you guys don't even know what it is yet, so
No.
I think we should just show them.
Let's get into it,
Let's
yeah. Kenny's awesome camera still.
Boom! There it is.
It's another ST.
It is another ST.
A good one though.
Yes, a lot better than the one we've seen in Barry.
Yeah.
Obviously, I did want performance blue, but when you found this one,
Yes.
in titanium grey, I believe it's called.
Okay. I think you guys will agree. Let us know, because they look good in performance blue, but 90% of them I think are. I can't remember the last time I saw one in this colour.
Exactly,
So
and that's what I like
choice.
about it, because you found it. Thank you very much. One thing I do want to point out.
Yeah, what have I done?
No, not you.
That's alright
Bit
then.
panic on. It has the full leather Recaros.
And for those
How cool is that?
For those of you, I mean, I've seen pictures of that, they're awesome. You've got to sit in them. There's a reason Recaro are one of the best in the business for seat. They're so comfy.
Well, we've done a few miles on the way up, and then we've done 90 miles from where we last stopped, and I just come out, I feel really, really good. I feel really, really refreshed.
I did want to ask you
So,
about that.
yeah.
So like, because yours
Comfort-wise.
is the sporty one. Mine's the comfort one, but you're still comfortable, isn't it?
Yeah, well, that's it. Yeah, it's still got everything on it. AC, cruise control, everything else. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with it.
I just thought, yeah, our American viewers and things like that, they may not even get these, but
Yes.
yeah, this is basically your Ford Fusion, I believe, equivalent. So yeah, Ford Mondeo.
Yeah, it's a Mondeo ST 2.2 TDCi. We will do a full run through of everything.
Yeah, we are going to do a first show because I haven't even
Yeah.
driven it. I've been in there, haven't driven it. We are going to do a full video on it, but this is just to get it out there so you guys, well, we can stop teasing you guys and...
Yeah, this is it. So if you see us out and about in it, the plate will be different.
Yeah,
I'm
this is
my
what you're
plate
looking
on
for
it.
now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is what we're going to be using for most things as well as yours, because we're going to have to
Yeah.
start using yours a bit more, because now we got something comfy.
Yes, and something that will get up hills and stuff.
Exactly,
So,
but as there's a reason we bought big comfy cars.
lots of reasons, actually.
Lots of reasons,
Yeah.
but we got a few really big plans with these, namely some road trips.
Yeah,
and
we're
that's what
always
I'm
looking
saying.
for new content, new things we can do to keep it fresh, and
Yes.
Kenny's come up with some brilliant ideas,
Yeah.
including some very long road trips.
Yes, but
Bring
we're
you
going
guys
to take
along,
you
of
guys along.
course.
Exactly.
Yes,
So
yes.
I think I should do it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Until
So-
the big until the main video. I'm so tired. We've
I
done
know,
so many
yeah,
miles
he-
these last 2 days.
He was out to Sheffield and everything yesterday, so no, I got to say a massive thank you as well for taking me down
yeah,
today.
yeah. Like I
really,
said, we
really
look out for each
appreciate
other, and I'm just
Yeah.
so glad you finally got one because
Yes, I needed
stress
something.
has just been unreal. So.
Exactly, yeah. So we'll leave it there.
Sorry, very quickly.
Yeah,
There's no more
oh,
Monday
go
I'm
on.
driving past, but look at the difference there. That's why I love these STs. But yeah,
Yeah, it does,
After
yeah.
you, go on.
Yep, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Boom!